Hey everyone, Gustavo here. If you have one of these electronic locks and you hear this, then it is time to change your battery. Make sure the tab is completely straight up and down. If it is, go ahead and pull the tab out, and with your other hand, turn the cover to the left, counterclockwise. Just slightly and pull towards you. Now your battery is located here. Remove the cover to have more room to pull the 9-volt battery out. Replace the old battery with a new battery. We'll be using a Duracell battery. Connect it. Reinstall the cover. Make sure the tab is on top. Push the cover back on and turn it to the right, clockwise, and you are done.